Hi everyone, this is Tony from Triminator, and today we're going to be removing the shear band in the Triminator Dry. First, we'll verify that the motor is turned off and that the power cord has been unplugged. Next, we'll position the machine in the horizontal position and release tension on the shear band. To release the tension, turn the adjustment knob clockwise. While turning the knob, flip the pawl off the ratchet so it's no longer in contact. Once the pawl is no longer engaged, release the tension knob and the shear band will now hang freely within the trimmer. Okay, now that that's done, it's time to remove the drum. Rotate the machine into the vertical position. Turn the drum a quarter turn until the drum slots align with the pins in the drive hub. Pull the drum away from the machine and remove it from the body. If the drum does not come out easily, check that the shear band has been released as described earlier. Next, we'll remove the shear band. This can be done in any machine orientation you choose, vertical or horizontal. I prefer to have the machine horizontal. To do this, pull the shear band off of the metal tabs which hold it in place. I like to start with the strap shear band hanger because it's easier to access initially. To start, begin at one end and pull the band away from the opposing end until the slot in the band has cleared the first tab. Then, maintaining tension on the band, repeat this motion until the slots in the band have cleared all the tabs. Over time, you can do this in a single continuous motion. This can be difficult at first, but becomes easier over time. Once you've removed one side, move to the other side to complete the process. Thanks for watching. If you have questions about the Triminator Dry, please visit thetriminator.com.